So I got this WEN planer and I've actually been using it for a couple weeks now. Had a couple projects with it. I've never purchased a WEN product before, and quite frankly, I was a little hesitant, but I'll tell you, this thing is just as good a quality as a lot of the name brands out there. This is the back end of it. It's got your exhaust port that fits right onto my shop vac. Got your outfeed table here. It's got some rollers to pass your material back, and comes with all the Allen keys and so forth to make your adjustments. It's very heavy duty. I mean, this thing weighs a ton, so it's not light by any means. It is an American product. I believe they're out of Illinois, and I'll show you the other side of it. So on the side here, you actually have your thickness gauge, so you can adjust that. So that is really cool. And on the front here, you have your power, you have your surge protection, you have your depth. So once you feed in, it is auto feeding. You feed in your material, it's going to tell you how much it's taken off. You have your height adjustment here for making incremental changes, so that's really nice. And the unit folds up, very compact, but this thing is very powerful and it has done a great job. So, I mean, I'm bought in with the WEN brand. So if you're looking for a planer for a great price, I would definitely recommend this one.